this. Sold Arcoaire with an upside down logo is running. It has a rotary. That's cool. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. 1993. 12,000 BTU, 1 ton. Wow, this is a rare unit. Very cold. Huh. That's cool. Don't know if I've ever seen one of these. 1 ton old Arcoaire round unit. And these units aren't running. Old Ream, 1991. I've filmed this place before, but I never uploaded it. That's a faded Goodman logo. Then, I don't think those are running. I don't have very much time, so I'm just going to film things that are running. But yeah, an old Arcoaire round unit. That's a 1 ton unit with a rotary compressor. I'll have to look more into that. I don't know if I've ever seen one of these. What is that? That is a Matsushita rotary compressor. And here's some of these. I'll go down here and look. Another one of these. I filmed this place a long time ago. I never uploaded it. Maybe I can. Okay, I'll be back. Old Ream running. No data left. Ooh, look, it's one of these brand new Goodmans. Fan is spinning really slow. Let's see. Hey, 2023! My first 2023 unit. Nice. Very cold and sweaty. Another one of these Arcoaires. Those aren't running. Brand new 2023 Goodman. First one of... first 2023 unit. Nice. Looks like the capacitor is already going bad. It's got like a brand new unit smell to it. Cool. And then this ancient Ream is running. It's just like mine, except I think it's a custom. Ream custom. Nice. Here's another. Carriers, right. These are both running, Ream and Tech 2000. Nice warm air. (2005) Carrier Tech 2000 and Ream. This is running also. That's extremely quiet. Coil just ends right there. Is the compressor even running? Yeah. It's just really quiet. Alright, cool. My video just stopped for some reason, but here's a Ream running. Kinda cold. Smells like laundry back here or something. Here's a Lennox. Ooh. Not running. Oh, it's been running. Alright, I'll continue to go down more of those. I'm just filming stuff that's running though. There's a train for anybody who likes that. Sold Weather King's running. That's nice sounding. Bristol Recip. Very cold and sweaty. I should go here more often. I kind of forgot about it. Here's one of these. This has a scroll though. Not been running. Ooh, there's bugs all over that. Alright. Check this out. Old roots. Both running. No data. This one is from 1989. I've got reciprocatings. Nice. Awesome. Here's an Ameristar. Alright, nice. This is actually my first Sentry in person I've seen. Comfort Maker Sentry. Rattly, of course. Yeah. It's the whole thing's like shaking. And look, the bolts are loose. Classic Sentry. Old Ring Classic IX. These aren't running. That whole thing is rocking back and forth. Rude. Holy crap. There it is. There's the end, finally. Oh, this is running. Serene value. Alright, cool. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to see how new that Comfort Maker is. (2022). Yeah. Very cheap. Comfort Maker logo is already broken. Let's check these because this is the end of this place. I keep almost falling. Nope, these aren't running. Listen to that thing clanking away. This has a new fan blade. Oh look, the compressor's wet. It's been running. 1990. Yeah, that's been running. Definitely. Can't wait for a startup though. Alright. Cool. Alright, I'm just filming this strip here. Filming what's running. So that'll be it, I think.